Today I'm cooking a simple and delicious Cantonese Yee Mee for lunch. This recipe is for 1 to 2 servings. The ingredients needed are 1 portion of dry yee mee, 110 grams of pork belly cut into thin slices. I am using pork belly with a bit of fat for more flavor. 50 ml of water, 1 egg, 5 pieces of medium-sized prawns, wash and clean, 400 ml of clear chicken stock or water, 80 grams of bok choy with the stem and the leaf separated, 45 grams of cut carrots, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, 3 tablespoons of garlic oil, 1.5 tablespoon of tapioca flour, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. The full list of the ingredients are in the See More link. Sprinkle 1/8 teaspoon of salt on the prawns. Marinate until well combined. Add half tablespoon of light soy sauce to the pork belly and marinate. Next, put the tapioca flour in the bigger mixing bowl. Add 50 ml of water. Mix until the flour has dissolved in the water. Leave it aside. Heat the pan. Add in 1 tablespoon of garlic oil and wait for 20 seconds for the oil to get hot. Add in the prawns and fry it for 40 seconds or until the bottom of the prawns change color to orange. Flip to cook the other side for about 30 seconds or until the whole prawns changes color to orange. Remove all the prawns from the pan and leave it aside. In the same pan, with a little hot oil, add in 1 more tablespoon of garlic oil and pork belly. Spread it around the pan. Add in the cut carrot. Stir fry for about 1 minute to caramelize the pork belly. Cover the pan and continue to cook for 2 more minutes. To ensure the pork belly is well cooked, stir in between occasionally to prevent burning. While waiting for pork belly to cook, soak the yee mee. Put yee mee in the bowl and pour hot boiling water until it is submerged. The yee mee must be submerged in the hot water. Cover and allow it to soak for 1 minute. The pork belly is now cooked and the carrots are slightly soft after 2 minutes. Add in all the chicken stock, sesame oil, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, pepper, oyster sauce, and all the bok choy stems. Stir and mix until well combined. Cover the pan and cook for 8 minutes. After 1 minute, let's check on the yee mee. It is soft and perfect. Strain off the water. Toss a little to remove the excess water that is stuck on the yee mee and leave it aside. After 8 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously, the pork belly is cooked, and the vegetables are soft. Give it a taste. Oh wow, very delicious. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred. But for this, it is already delicious. Add in the bok choy leaves. Give it a stir. The bok choy leaves cook really fast and soften in the hot soup very quickly. Add tapioca flour mixture, the egg. Give it a quick stir to break the eggs and thicken the gravy. See, the gravy is now thick and looks really yummy. Switch off the heat. Now assemble the noodles. Put the yee mee on the serving plate. Garnish with crispy fried garlic. Pour the gravy on the top. Arrange the prawns. Garnish with crispy fried garlic. And we are done. Simple and delicious Cantonese Fried Yee Mee. Let's eat! Wow, very tasty and flavorful. The yee mee is soft and well soaked with a delicious egg gravy. So good! Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!